Your email signature says a lot about you. Whether you're closing deals, reaching out to clients, or just staying professional, most people either ignore it or they settle for the default sent from iPhone signature that comes with so many emails sent from your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean branded email signature in just under 2 minutes, specifically using Mailbutler. It works with Gmail, Apple Mail, and Outlook, and you don't need to touch a line of code for this. All you have to do is drag and drop and you're done. The goal of this video is to help you build a professional on-brand email signature that boosts trust and makes every message feel more polished. I'll walk you through how to access Mailbutler's signature tool, design your signature with logos, links, and formatting, as well as assign it to your emails. All of this doing so in just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a great looking signature, but you'll also know how to edit, manage, and even track engagement through clicks if you want to take things even further. So without further ado, let's get into it. The best way to get started with Mailbutler is by using that link down in the description. When you click that link, you'll be brought to this page here. As you can see, we simply want to get started here by clicking the try for free button. This will then take us to their sign up page where we can get started by either downloading for Apple Mail, Outlook Web, Outlook application, or our Gmail account. Once we decide which of these platforms we want to go with, we'll then either hit the download button or head over to our Google Chrome tab and install the actual Chrome plugin. Now for this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Chrome plugin, but it's pretty much the same process on every other platform. Now once you install this plugin onto your browser, you'll see a little sidebar icon up where the usual plugins are for actual Chrome. The process is pretty much nearly identical in Outlook, and you'll see something similar. From there, you'll go ahead and click the 3 dots menu in the sidebar and select the Email Signatures tab. This is where you'll create, manage, and customize everything related to your email signature. Now, before jumping in here, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind here. Mailbutler's signature editor is very powerful, but the exact interface can vary depending, of course, on which application you're using. Some advanced features like dynamic fields or team-wide signature management might require more of the premium plans that they offer, which we'll get into at the end of this video. If you're embedding images from an external source, make sure they're hosted securely using something like HTTPS. Otherwise, they may not display correctly inside of somebody's email. As you can see, we're inside of my inbox right now, and in order to access the email signature tab, I'm simply going to head over to the right here and click on the Mailbutler icon. Now that I'm on the Mailbutler icon, I can then head over to the emails tab, see any of my emails that I have. I can see the notes that I have, the tasks that I have, or the activity that I have. Now to get access to the actual signature part, we're going to hit those 3 dots here, which will then take us to this part where we can go to our signatures. As you can see, this is the signatures page. This is where we're going to create our email signature, and it's as simple as hitting this plus button. Once you hit that plus button, it will then take you into the signature creator where we can start building our signature. The first thing we want to change here is the new signature, which we can just title it just about anything you can think of. I'll just call this test for now. Then I'll head down into the actual signature portion and start messing around with the signature. Now, as you can see, the main part here is you're going to get the actual username that your Gmail has, as well as any other company affiliations, emails, or names that you want included. Now, we'll change the name here to actually be my real name. And then, of course, we can even change the company affiliation, and we'll just call this our Test LLC. That way it represents properly of what company we're representing. As you can see, both of those changed instantly inside of the signature creator. Also, we can go up here and change any of the font type that we want, as well as make it bigger or smaller if we so choose to. They also have a ton of different fonts that you can choose from, and each of these look pretty good depending on which one you end up actually going with. If we actually scroll down, we can even add our social icons here for things like Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other important social platform that you're currently a part of. There's also the ability to even add a simple little profile picture here, or just the actual photo or logo for your company. All we have to do to actually add that is head down here to the images tab, and then we can either upload an image straight from our actual computer, or we could just go with a link that we have from an HTTP source. As you can see, I'm digging through my files right now, and I'm going to go ahead and add a simple test logo here, which should upload very nicely. You can also adjust the actual size of this so that way it's not overbearing and taking up the entire signature space. So that way, obviously, it's properly formatted and sized correctly. There's also the gallery portfolio option if you want to add even more photos to this or videos that could be relevant to your overall company or specifically the email that you're sending. You can do so with that setting. There's, of course, the social links too for anything you can think of, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Instagram, and a host of other places. And then of course there's also paragraphs if we want to close or add any disclaimers inside of here, as well as maybe some simple contact rules or information inside of our email signature. Once this all looks good, we'll go up and scroll back to the top, click off of this, and we should be good to go. This will auto save so that way you can have this and start using it inside of your own emails. You then just have to select your default email signature, which will be this test email signature, and just like that, our preferences are saved. Now we simply click off of this, head over to the Compose tab, start composing a random email, and as you can see, our signature will automatically load directly into our email. We can of course adjust the sizing and the overall format to this to make sure that everything is sized appropriately, but it's pretty much that easy to get your email signature all ready to go. Once again, if you guys are interested in getting started with Mailbutler, I would definitely recommend using that link down in the description. It's one of the best ways to get started with them, and it also helps support our channel in the process. Also, just a quick disclaimer too, that if you head over to their pricing page, you can see that they have a bunch of affordable plans that you can choose from: a tracking plan, professional plan, smart plan, and a business plan. Each of these include their own specific features, and if you want more advanced features, you're going to have to go with some of the higher tiered plans, but in my opinion, they're definitely worth it based on the actual features that you get access to. Things like AI powered email assistance, insights of when people are actually opening your emails, as well as of course the signature feature that we covered in this video. Other than that though, you can get started with Mailbutler completely for free with a free trial that they have. All you have to do is use that link down in the description. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos. And of course, remember that the links down in the description are affiliate links, and we could monetarily benefit from them at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance for supporting more videos like this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today, and I can't wait to see you guys in the future.